So those are all the walls that I need. I will click the modify tool to cancel out. That was the sketch part. Now we're ready to move on to the modify part. So the modify part is just going to be leveraging temporary dimensions. And we've already talked about this in an earlier video, but because it's such a core skill in Revit, I think it bears repeating here. So why don't we start with this wall right here, which is defining the barrier between our bathroom and our dining room. So I want to set the size of the dining room on the right-hand side. Notice that there is a dimension on either side. I could edit either one of those. What you want to do is be very careful that you're picking the dimension value and not this little make temporary dimension permanent symbol. If you click that, that actually creates a live dimension, an actual dimension. Now, if that happens, you can just simply select it and delete it. It's not a big deal, but we don't want to create permanent dimensions here. We just simply want to edit the temporaries. So we're going to do that by clicking right on the text value and then typing in the desired value. So for this distance, I want 8'1" if you're working in imperial, or 2575 if you're working in metric. Press enter to apply that value. So notice that the wall will move over and set that new value for you. Now, I want to do the bathroom size next. Here's a really common mistake. You see another dimension here and you say, this is great. All I need to do is edit this value. The size of the bathroom is 5 feet imperial or 1525 in metric. So I put in 5, I press enter, and notice what happened. So it actually moved the same wall back again, and we've now messed up the size of the dining room. So let me do undo or Control Z. What should I have done? You need to change selection. So the really important thing you want to remember about temporary dimensions is whatever element you have selected is the element that's going to move. So if I want to keep this wall where it is and change the size of the room, that means I need to pick the other wall instead. Come over here, edit the value to either 5 or 1525. And we just need to continue like that. So now